I'm here today in the middle of nowhere, put locational information on, and that stone that I've just shown you is an outlying stone for a stone circle. It's a very low-lying stone circle site, and to be honest with you, there were 4 others with me today, and unfortunately none of them could make it this far because we had to go over the source of the River Towie, and it's sort of a really low-lying stone circle site. And to be honest with you, trying to find this site today took a little bit longer than we thought, driving up and down the lane. As we come around, you can see them just sticking out the surface now. Due to erosion, these stones are obviously showing now. But if this landscape was heavily wooded with a heavy mat of forest, you wouldn't be able to see it today. But this itself has to be the highlight associated with the stone circle. It's an oblong stone circle site that we've just looked at. And this stone itself here, extremely interesting. It's probably a glacial erratic, got a puddle of water around it. It's very likely that the stone is the most impressive part of this monument. And interestingly enough, there's little stones around here that people have marked on, use it for burials and so on. So, out of breath completely, this is karl-James LANGFORD, and this is location information that I'll put on the description. Thank you very much for Archaeology Cymru.